Hello and welcome to another MaintenanceROS tutorial. My name is David, and in this video, we're going to cover how you can change the date when you're marking tasks as completed. Let's jump right in. Starting off here on my dashboard, just to show you that in this instance, it looks like I'm a little behind on when I have completed some tasks. However, we'll say I just forgot to update when I actually did some work on my generator. So that's what we're going to cover here, is how to backdate those tasks and show when they were actually completed. I can go ahead and select the task itself. And just like you normally would, I would go ahead and hit I've completed the task. And you'll notice we've got a new option here. Down at the bottom, it says, do you want to add some notes, files, or backdate this task? That is what we want to go ahead and select. We can add the notes as normal if we would like. We can say filter pretty clear, no water, and then we can adjust the timeline. So I can go ahead and pull up the calendar view, and let's say I was a little negligent in remembering to add this. We'll go ahead and say I did it on May 27th. If you want, you can again add any files, any pictures that you took during the process, add all that. You can update the operating hours of the piece of equipment, and it'll notate that as the time the task was completed as well. And now I can go ahead and hit save. Now I do want to note there's something here. We can see the last time we interacted with this, the system is recognizing that it was May 27th rather than today, which is June 15th. Now you notice, again, this has the asterisk. Now we want to mark these tasks because we want to allow users to accurately capture when maintenance was completed so that everything stays on the correct schedule. You'll notice that it's next scheduled a year from May 27th rather than from June 15th. But we also don't want this feature to be abused to falsify records. So we have come up with this auditable record so that any future owners can feel confident about the maintenance history of the boat. Come down and look here at the history. Again, you'll see that it's got the asterisk associated with it, the notes that we added in, and all of the additional details. That's pretty much going to wrap up this tutorial. It's short and sweet, but this feature is immensely powerful for helping to keep all your tasks scheduled correctly. Thanks so much for watching.